All right, good morning, guys. I hope you're doing well. Can everyone hear me all right? I'll take that as a no, so we'll close the session. All good, thank you. Thanks for the answer. All right, so to be honest, guys, I was contemplating not doing any PMS session this morning. Uh, I think it's pretty clear what the game plan is and that we should already be on the sideline and be all cash by now. So yeah, there's not much to say, to be honest. Um, Looks like we'll get the deepest and longest pullback since the April's low, and that's good. To be honest, the market was on a rip since April, and that was one hell of a run. And it needs more time. Do we need to do these kind of of pullback, a bit like here, two leg down pullback? We go into the 21 DMA structure and then tighten up on the right side. Let me share the screen just so you see that better. Um, Something like in September 2021, something like 2023, as we had a bigger correction, three leg down correction, a quick pullback like April 2024, deeper pullback like August 2024. You see the theme, right? So the theme is we have that deeper and larger pullback, but where will it go? I have no clue. Is now enough? Maybe. Will Nvidia earnings save the market? Maybe. Maybe it will uh, accelerate selling and push it further down. Um, and again, I have no clue, and I don't need to, and I don't want to go into another rant this morning. I already did one yesterday, but just want to reiterate the mindset that you need in a downtrend, right? So if you're focused on the levels on the downside, and you're starting to see all those potential support structure, like that, like that. There's a nice structure here. Oh, there's a nice structure here. Oh, there's a nice structure here. And you you see the you see what I'm trying to make, right? Oh, there's another nice support here. So the idea is simply to show that there will always have some nice structure from the right side that that is potential support. But if you start to draw those on your charts, or if you had, I don't know, the 60 EMA, 75 EMA, 96.3 EMA, yeah, the fibs. You need some fibs, you need some AWAP. uh yeah, good idea. Let's add some AWAP. Oh, there's one coming very soon. Load the boat, guys. That low right here, oh, we lost that one. April's low, that's another nice potential support. uh See, so I'm trying to make a bit of fun of it, but you see the point, right? Each day and every day, there will be some support. Um, there will be a reason to engage in a setup because the market is right at potential support. And you will find yourself to trade much more than you should in a downtrend when you clearly have the win in your face, and even the best setups and the strongest name in the market will fail. So that's why many years ago I switched my focus to the downside levels and potential support, to the structure that we need to reclaim and the structure that will confirm the switch in the trend. And that's why I'm always looking for the same constructive action around the 21 DMA structure. And now the structure is declining. This is a downtrend. We're trending below the declining structure as well. So there's just nothing to do. I'm drawing some things like that, but I don't need it and I don't take action of those. Everything that I know is my bars are pink. We're declining below that structure and we're in a downtrend. And until that we see some constructive action in, or as we retest, then there's no need to anticipate anything. That will just simply put you in a mindset where you try to trade every potential bottom. And that's a sure way to hurt yourself in a downtrend, because we simply don't know if the pullback will go on for days, weeks, or months. And those that are saying that they know, then run away the fastest that you can, because this is some real bullshit. Um, so yeah, that's the idea. Stop focusing on the downside potential support levels and focus on the structure that we need to reclaim and build constructively. For me, that's the 21 DMA structure. It fits my time frame and my style well. But maybe for you it's the 50 DMA. Maybe it's the 10-week moving average. Maybe it's the 10 DMA. I don't know. Find the one that works for you. And the idea is that that's not a magic structure. Sometimes the 50 will work better, like this. Probably that we were rejecting at the 50. But that's why you wait for constructive action, and you'll get confirmation from the risk assets, from the internals, from the liquid leaders, and then everything will lock in together, and you'll get that clear picture that market is healthy, market built the right side well, and it's time to engage again. And the other thing that you can look as well is breadth. So is do we have the win in our face or at our back? And for that I use MCO and MCSI. So McClellan summation, accelerating downside below a declining 10 DMA. We're not oversold yet, so we have more room to the downside. But keep in mind that the oscillator is getting quite oversold. We're almost at 1.5 standard deviation from the average. So we might enter some area where the market need to counter trend rally, a move into a declining structure, uh, and that's not something that I'm looking to trade, right? So I will not have the confirmation from the QQQE or even the McClellan summation. Maybe sometimes you have some hookup attempt, um, but price will not yet confirm that turn. So that's what I will look. simply to state from the oscillator that it's way too early to engage and it's also too late to short. So keep that in mind if you play short and you have short exposure. We're a bit like when the McClellan summation is overbought and the market is shaky a bit, grinding up. It's a good time to take some trims into strength. That's the same thing on the short side if you played that downtrend with some short exposure. All right. So guys, do you have questions? Honestly, that was the rant that I wanted to make this morning. And again, the game plan for me is simply to wait on the sidelines and cash, wait patiently that the market is setting up again, and we're not there yet, and it won't happen intraday today either. No questions. All right, so guys, have a good day. Take it easy. Think risk first. And once again, I will be in the trading pit, or if you have questions, you can use the question and answers channels. And on that, I wish you a very good day, guys. Bye bye.